7 benefits to drinking warm lemon water every morning. Lemon is one of the most popular and versatile citrus fruit. Its popularity is owed to its refreshing flavor and scent, making it a popular choice for flavoring many recipes and perfumes. Along with its obvious use as a flavor, lemon since long has also been used for its medicinal value. A rich source of vitamin C, lemon possesses immense health benefits ranging from its antibacterial and antiviral properties to its immune-boosting abilities. One of the most common ways to reap the health benefits of lemon is by juicing it. Lemon juice acts as a digestive and detoxifying agent and helps in cleaning the liver, leading to better digestive health. Along with the weight loss benefits, drinking warm lemon water every morning also has numerous other benefits. Add half of a freshly squeezed lemon to 8 ounces of cool, warm or hot water. Enjoy the taste and the benefits. 1. It improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from the sun. How water improves skin is controversial, but one thing is certain. If your skin loses moisture, it becomes dry and prone to wrinkles. 2. It freshens breath. Have you ever rubbed a lemon on your hands to get rid of the smell of garlic or some other strong odor? The same folk remedy may apply to bad breath caused by eating foods with strong smells such as garlic, onions, or fish. You might avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. Lemon is thought to stimulate saliva, and water also helps prevent a dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath caused by bacteria. 3. Boosts your immune system. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is great for fighting colds. Vitamin C has been shown to increase the production of white blood cells. Those white blood cells are the defender cells that attack bacteria and viruses. Vitamin C may also keep existing immune cells healthier and better able to produce enough of the kind of antibodies that attach to viruses and bacteria to mark them for destruction. 4. It helps with weight loss. Lemons are high in pectin fiber, which could help fight hunger cravings. Some people lose weight more quickly just by upping their water intake. But many people also find that juicing them and then drinking warm water and lemon juice in the morning helps them lose weight faster. One research study found that polyphenols in lemon juice have the power to suppress body fat accumulation. The same research showed that the same compounds in lemons significantly reduced weight gain even for those who were overeating. 5. Lemon juice balances the body's pH. People are talking a lot about reducing the body's acidity by eating and drinking alkaline foods. You may be surprised to learn that while lemon juice is acidic outside of the body, its effect is alkalizing after it has been fully metabolized. That means that drinking warm water and lemon in the morning can raise the pH of your body, promoting healthy cell function and structure and creating a less hospitable environment for bacteria and viruses. 6. Lemon water also aids digestion. Lemon juice helps flush out unwanted materials. It encourages the liver to produce bile, which is an acid that is required for digestion. Drinking warm lemon water can help get your digestive system to get moving in the morning without overloading it. Plus, efficient digestion reduces heartburn and constipation, so you won't have to worry about the acid in lemons giving you heartburn. 7. It's good for the liver. Compounds in lemon may also help your liver do a better job of filtering toxins out of your body because citrus flavonoids in lemon can protect the liver against damage caused by toxins while also reducing fat in the liver. Lemon juice on its own may not be a detoxifying agent, but it could be doing a lot to help your body cleanse itself naturally.